Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at the Strafe Designs version 2 rear diffuser for 2015 plus WRXs and STIs. It's a 3-part diffuser, and as you can see, this is what all comes in the box. You've got your left and right valves, and then you also have your rear panel as well. Includes all the hardware and even instructions, so let's get to it. Anytime you're under a car, use them. They saved my life once. So as you can see in the bag, you get a ton of washers. You also get 6 of these little rubber guys that actually have a nut that's fused into them, and these are expansion washers. So essentially, as you tighten them down, they expand in the hole. So these are pretty nice designs. They should hold pretty well. The directions say that it's speed rated to 140 miles an hour. So the next time at a track, we'll put that to the test. For the center panel brackets, you're going to want to remove the bolt that connects your heat shield to the frame of your car. This is actually a good mounting place, so even though the brackets look a little bit flimsy, they actually attach to a really good point. So after you take that bolt out, keep it, you're going to end up reusing it. So as a quick recommendation, I do recommend you leave all the bolts loose at the start until you get everything mounted up. That way it allows you to have a little bit of flex when you're mounting everything, pulling everything together, and then you can tighten everything down before you're done. So for my review, I have to say, I overall really like this product. It seems to be made really well. The mounting points all seem pretty strong. All the edges are ground really smooth, and the finish was really nice on it. The only real gripe I have to have on this is actually the shipping time. It took me about 3.5 weeks to get mine. However, when you order one of these things, you have to realize that they are all made to order. They aren't just sitting on a shelf. So just keep that in mind when you're buying one. I wanted to take this shot just for one thing to keep in mind before you order one of these things. You have to think about how it is that you get in and out of your driveway, or if you have any area where you have a really high dip. My driveway is not terrible, but I'm also on stock suspension, stock wheels, so if I go any lower, I'll probably have an issue.